The crossbow is a ranged weapon that combines the stability of a rifle with the simple launch mechanics of a bow. However, the main problem with the crossbow is usually its large size, heavy construction, and complex release mechanism. So what if I could build a crossbow that is as small and as simple as possible? Hello everyone, my name is Axel, and I like to build stuff. I started this project by designing the release mechanism because this is the most complicated part of this build. To make it as simple as possible, I only wanted two moving parts, the catch and the trigger. This design is lacking a spring, so you'll either have to deal with pushing the trigger forward after every reload, or you could remix this design. Personally, I don't really care. You do you. Anyway, after designing, printing, and assembling the parts, I gave it an epic paint job, and it was time to test this thing in the garage. So just like that, and pull the trigger. After successfully launching a rubber band onto my workbench, it was time to design the barrel and the bow. These are not the proper terms for these parts, so feel free to tell me in the comment section what they really are. So after printing and painting all the parts, I assembled them using super glue, and then I use two rubber bands in the form of a figure-8 shape that wrap around the bow like this. Eventually, I got sick and tired of the rubber band moving into the center like this, so I ended up just super gluing the rubber band to it anyway. So now with the crossbow fully assembled, it's time to actually have some fun. Oh yes, got a crossbow. So I know more crossbow is cool, but you know what's better? A 3D printed projectile. So what I did was I designed this 3D printed arrow that can slot into the crossbow like this, using a second rubber band, and then it was actually time to knock down some bottles. Can I please only knock one down? No? How about another? Nope, you hit the camera that time. Nope. Oh yeah, I've got a crossbow. So it's a new year, and with the new year comes new possibilities. And with these new possibilities comes new epic videos every month to you, the viewer. I commit to producing one epic video per month, plus 2 or 3 during the summer months. But to make these videos absolutely epic, I need your guys' help. In the last video, FT_Toma commented the idea of turning an air raid siren into an air turbine. This is a really great idea. So guess what? FT_Toma_, it's coming in the future. And if you guys want your ideas to come into real life, make sure to hit the like button down below and comment your idea. And the most liked comment will be selected for a future video project. Anyway, with that, thanks to FT_Toma_ for making such an awesome video idea. And thanks to you for watching. See you next month.